All right, welcome to the second update for the Signal. We did some research and we're going old school, not just as you can see in the picture here in our research, but also in the way we approach the prototyping. So our research has shown us that, like most things, the prop department doesn't work in a vacuum and starts off using actual materials, or in this case, an actual searchlight. A searchlight, a World War II Sperry searchlight, 60 inches, and modified that for what you see in the movie. And so that is what we are using as our basis for the design. And like I said, we are going to do this die cast, but actually we're not going to do this die cast because usually that's cheap metal. We're actually going to be using solid metals, either aluminum or steel, depending on whether we need magnetism or not. We found an aluminum profile you see here that has the exact correct diameter, so we can get that, use that. And then we are going to use steel parts for many parts of the other parts in the searchlight, but not all parts can be metal because for some parts the machine is literally turning 8 hours a piece. So some of this will be high grade resin. We are not going to be using any plastics here, so it's going to be a higher percentage of metal than you would have in a normal die cast figure, and it's not going to be using any plastics. So as you can see, we've made some nice progress. I've made the design that I think is movie accurate for the logos, and check out this logo. If you need me, just put up this light. Now that was just a test. We are putting a magnet in the grid that's holding it, as you can see in the center here, and we're going to be using actual steel parts for the logo so that the magnet can be used to replace the logos and switch them out. And here you see the machine working an entire Sunday on turning the back, which will then be a cast part. But all in all, I'm very happy with the very first weekend of prototyping, and next weekend we will step up our game and do the foot. So I hope you like what you're seeing so far. We are very happy, and until next time.